pajamas away for the weekend. Great. A little too long. Okay, so right now I am changing the actuator on the gas valve for the boiler, and then I gotta do a tune-up on that boiler. I would like next block over to do a tune-up on that boiler and get these two done because I'm right here. But I gotta leave probably around 3 o'clock because I'm an hour away from home. I'm gonna get stuck in a ton of traffic, and I gotta pick baby up from daycare. Bueno! Okay, came out pretty good. Looks a little funny, that being brand new and everything else is a mess, but no one is gonna see it but me. Oof. That looks like a familiar problem. Unfortunately, I don't have the whole thing on the truck. All we had was the head assembly, so this we're gonna have to come back on. And that, and that, and that, and that, and that won't be me, because I'm terrible at pipe repairs. How we do? Half hour over is not that bad. I guess technically you're not allowed to park here between 1 and 3. But if you did that, then there would literally be no parking anywhere in the city. So as long as you're gone by the time the street sweeper gets here, you're in the clear. Now, I have to move 1 block. If it takes me more than 15 minutes to find parking, I'm not doing the tune-up. I mean, I just don't know what to do. I went up 5 blocks, I went down 5 blocks. What a terrible time to do street cleaning, but at this point, I don't think the juice is worth the squeeze. I think I have to call it and leave because I don't want to rush it. I don't want to stop and I don't want to start and then stop halfway and then have to come back. I'd rather do it all at once, which isn't fun because that means I got to go home early now, which I really need the money. However, I don't want to be late picking her up. So sometimes you got to make sacrifices in work-life balance. Hi. At the end of the day, is there such a thing as a perfect work-life balance? I have no idea. What do you think? I guess it is just a compromise.